friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Acer Ultra Thin Business Desktop PC with a VESA mounter. So friend, Acer has launched the VN4690G-H76Y desktop PC which can be mounted using a VESA mounter, and friend, it has ultra thin shell with a width of 40 mm in USB 3.2 Type-C connection that allows fast charging, and friend, if the display is suitable, you may provide video signals and power through a single Type-C connector, reducing cable length. And friends, CPU core i7-12700T, chipset Intel P660, memory DDR4 3200, SODI AM 16GB, maximum 64GB, storage 512GB, NVMe M.2 SSD, and graphics function are the major specification. And friend, Intel UHD graphics 770 is used. And friend, the network is gigabit LAN, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, and 135-watt AC adapter powers the system. And friend, the external dimensions are 40 mm wide, 190 mm deep, and 203 mm tall, with a weight of around 1.3 kg. And friend, the operating system includes the 64-bit version of Windows 11 Pro. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.